Welcome to the Windows Computer Technology channel, and I'll have a rant today on Monday, August 15th. A rant at Microsoft for several little things. First of all, a rant for why does it matter and who cares that a third-party tool that actually makes it simple for users to create a USB thumb drive called Rufus, which actually does create a USB thumb drive way better than the media creation tool ever does, which is a shame and which makes you think, come on, Microsoft, you can do better than that. And then you wonder why people go use a third-party tool, because that tool is 100 times better at doing the same thing. Plus, it adds a lot of possibilities. So, shouldn't we be happy that that tool even makes it easy to download the image for the Windows version you're looking at, and that it just is, making more people use Windows? No, of course not. You gotta block a link. It's, something I have a hard time with. And that's where Microsoft is definitely a bad player, and definitely, as time goes by in the last couple of years, it's as if Microsoft, rather than opening up or making things easier or better, is just shutting down and creating this, control over everything that is becoming a major problem. And I think a lot of us have a hard time with that. The minimum requirements, once again, totally arbitrary on Windows 11, and they try to explain without really being able to explain anything. And they are trying to tell us, enhanced security. Yeah, well, you're not using most of the tools. I don't see TPM used except for very specific things that we're already using it in Windows 10, by the way. I think we need to look at this and say, look, Microsoft, come on, you gotta be joking here. The other thing is, look at the Windows 10 update. We're updating to 22H2 on Windows 10 for what? For nothing except maybe a change in the version number. We're getting to a point where it's so ridiculous the way that things are happening that Microsoft Windows is dominant because of business mostly. And businesses, as long as it works, if there's not too many changes, they're okay with it. But you look at that and you're like, come on, you're lucky that business is there, because maybe you would lose that dominance in the PC market at some point. Microsoft is lucky that one of the things and one of the reasons why people stay on Windows is, of course, their favorite programs are there, their favorite tools are there, and they're not on a lot of other platforms. There's a lot of stuff missing, and that keeps the user in Windows. But the problem is Microsoft is making a lot of Windows users mad at the same time. You got to be careful with that. I think Microsoft needs to sit down and look at what they're doing. And the secrecy, I just can't. We're not going to tell you this or that, or we don't know about this, or maybe not, or why. There's nothing secret in having new features in Windows. Just tell us. Anyways, that was my rant for today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.